Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix App Store missing on iPhone. So simply swipe down on your screen, right? And then search for App Store, okay? And then basically if you find it, just hold right here and then just add it to your, basically, or drag it to your screen, okay? And then you're gonna be able to add it, right? Another way of fixing it, if you still have that same problem, you could go ahead to the settings, right? In the settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and move along to the screen time, click the content and privacy restrictions, and you're going to see the first option under the content and privacy restrictions, iTunes and App Store purchases. And if you don't have an access to that feature, make sure that you ask a parent to allow you to into the passcode, and then you're going to be able to see settings just like this. Go ahead to the installing apps and make sure that you allow App Store to be appearing on the home screen, and then basically go back to your screen, and then the settings will be applied automatically. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.